Hi, I am Michael with Verve Health and Fitness, and today we're going to be talking about the best massage tool that you can give yourself. And it's not this. It's actually this. And the best part is, it's cheap. It's a simple lacrosse ball that you can use, and there are so many different ways of using them. And you can do a lot of massage technique and myofascial release technique, which I will show you, but first I'll show you how to prepare these. Yeah? So you just need 3 lacrosse balls, 1 by itself, and 2, you're going to make it into a peanut like so. And voila. All right, so now you have these. In the next video, I will show you how to use them. And these are compact, easy to pack as you're traveling as well. See you next time.